An AI breakthrough so shocking, it didn't just disrupt the tech world. It sent Wall Street into a tailspin. When DeepSeek unveiled its $6 million breakthrough, it wasn't just a win for innovation. It was a gut punch to the giants of Silicon Valley. But here's the real question. Was this a stroke of genius or a ticking time bomb? Let's uncover the secrets behind DeepSeek's rise and the chaos it left in its wake. All right, let's cut to the chase. What's the big deal with DeepSeek? This isn't your average AI. This isn't just a chatbot that can tell you a joke or a fancy algorithm that recommends your next Netflix binge. No, DeepSeek is something else entirely. It's an AI that evolves. Think of it like this. If most AI systems are like students who memorize textbooks, DeepSeek is the genius who writes the textbooks and then rewrites them to make them better. It processes data faster than a human brain, predicts outcomes with terrifying precision, and can even make decisions on its own. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's very, very real. DeepSeek isn't just another player in the AI game. It's rewriting the rules. Take machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics, throw them into a blender, and hit ludicrous speed. That's DeepSeek. But here's the kicker. What really makes it stand out is its unique fusion approach. While other AI systems are stuck playing checkers, DeepSeek is out here playing 4D chess. It's not just about solving problems. It's about redefining what's possible. Here's where things get wild. Unlike traditional AI systems that rely on static algorithms, think of them as robots following a script. DeepSeek is like a self-taught prodigy. It combines deep learning, reinforcement learning, and even principles inspired by quantum computing. Yeah, you heard that right, quantum computing. This fusion lets DeepSeek achieve levels of accuracy, efficiency, and adaptability that were once thought impossible. It's not just learning, it's evolving. And that's what makes it so powerful and maybe a little scary. DeepSeek didn't just sneak into the AI spotlight, it kicked the door down. Its journey began with its first generation models, DeepSeek Coder and the DeepSeek LLM series. But here's the twist. They didn't keep it locked away in some secret lab. Nope, they went open source. That's like a chef handing out their secret recipe to the world. It was a bold move that instantly set them apart and got the entire AI community talking. By making their models accessible to the public, DeepSeek invited developers, researchers, and enthusiasts from around the world to not only use their technology, but also improve upon it. And improve they did. The results were staggering. Early benchmarks showed DeepSeek's models outperforming GPT 3.5 in both coding tasks and natural language processing. They weren't just good, they were fast. Like blinking, you'll miss it fast. But of course, with great success comes great drama. Almost immediately, the whispers started. Some critics accused DeepSeek of copying OpenAI's architecture, calling their models more copycat than innovator. Rumor has it that DeepSeek's development team includes former employees of OpenAI and Google DeepMind who left after major disagreements over ethics. One insider even called it the AI project too dangerous for big tech. Others, however, defended DeepSeek, arguing that the company was simply smarter about how they trained their models, leveraging unique datasets and optimization techniques to achieve superior results. Whether it was inspiration or imitation, one thing was clear: DeepSeek had arrived, and the AI world was put on notice. Then came DeepSeek V3, the model that changed everything. This wasn't just an upgrade, it was a quantum leap. With its advanced architecture and cutting-edge training techniques, V3 wasn't just good, it was groundbreaking. Imagine an AI that can write essays with the fluency of a Pulitzer Prize winner, debug code like a Silicon Valley veteran, and hold conversations so natural, they'll make you question if you're talking to a human. It's not just impressive, it's borderline uncanny. But here's the kicker. DeepSeek reportedly trained V3 for just $6 million. Let that sink in. $6 million. Compare that to OpenAI's estimated $100 million budget for GPT-4, and you start to see why this sent shockwaves through the industry. It's like building a Ferrari for the price of a used Honda. The question on everyone's mind: how do they do it? And more importantly, what's the catch? So how do they pull it off? DeepSeek credits its success to two key factors: squeezing every last drop of performance out of Nvidia GPUs and tapping into China's vast diverse data resources. It's like they found a way to run a marathon on a single tank of gas. But here's where things get controversial. Some critics argue that DeepSeek's low costs come at the expense of ethical data practices. Others, though, call it nothing short of genius, a masterclass in resourcefulness and innovation. But wait, there's more. Not everyone's buying what DeepSeek's selling. While the company insists its cost-saving strategies are all about efficient GPU allocation and optimized training methods, some analysts aren't convinced. They argue the true cost of developing a model like V3 could be closer to $1.3 billion when you factor in hardware, infrastructure, and ongoing research. So, is DeepSeek being strategically vague about its costs? Or have they genuinely cracked the code? The debate is raging, and it's making the AI world sweat. To understand how DeepSeek achieved this, we need to look under the hood. DeepSeek's capabilities are as impressive as they are diverse. At its core are self-learning algorithms that continuously improve over time without the need for human intervention. This means the more data DeepSeek processes, the smarter it gets, making it a truly dynamic and evolving system. Another standout feature is its real-time data processing capabilities, which allow it to analyze vast amounts of information and make instant decisions. Whether it's detecting fraud in financial transactions, optimizing supply chains, or providing real-time medical diagnostics, DeepSeek delivers results at lightning speed. And perhaps most importantly, it's highly scalable, meaning it can be seamlessly integrated across industries, from healthcare and finance to logistics and beyond. This versatility makes DeepSeek not just a tool, but a transformative force for businesses and organizations worldwide. So, how does DeepSeek achieve such remarkable performance? At its heart is a neural network architecture that mimics the structure and function of a human brain, but on a scale and speed that far surpasses human capabilities. This network is trained on massive data sets, allowing DeepSeek to identify complex patterns, learn from them, and make predictions with near-perfect accuracy. In essence, DeepSeek represents the next evolution of artificial intelligence, a system that's not only intelligent, but also adaptive, scalable, and capable of transforming industries in ways we're only beginning to imagine. Now, here's where things take an even more dramatic turn. DeepSeek's rise hasn't just sent shockwaves through the AI industry. It has also rattled global financial markets, triggering one of the most significant stock plunges in recent history. When DeepSeek announced that it had trained its latest AI model, DeepSeek V3, for an astonishingly low $6 million, the AI community was stunned. Industry insiders, who were used to hearing about hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars being poured into AI training, found this claim almost too good to be true. However, as the news spread, its impact extended far beyond the world of AI research. It hit Wall Street with full force. In a single day, Nvidia's stock price plummeted by nearly 17%, marking the biggest NASDAQ stock erosion in history. The reason? Nvidia's cutting-edge GPUs, such as the A100, H100, and upcoming AI-dedicated chips, are the gold standard for AI model training. The company had built its dominance on the assumption that large-scale AI projects required massive computing power and, consequently, astronomical budgets. But DeepSeek's efficiency, whether through optimized algorithms, strategic hardware use, or unknown proprietary methods, directly threatened that business model. For Nvidia, the implications were alarming. If DeepSeek had genuinely figured out how to dramatically reduce AI training costs, it meant that companies might not need to buy as many GPUs or spend as much on high-performance computing infrastructure. Investors panicked, fearing that the AI hardware market, which Nvidia almost single-handedly dominates, could face disruption from unexpected players, particularly from Chinese firms finding alternative solutions. And this wasn't just about one company losing market value. The drop in Nvidia's stock sent ripples across the entire semiconductor industry, affecting companies like AMD, Intel, and TSMC, all of which rely on AI-driven demand for high-end chips. Some analysts speculated that if DeepSeek's efficiency was replicable at scale, it could reshape the economic landscape of AI. potentially reducing the cost of AI adoption worldwide. The situation serves as a stark reminder that in the rapidly evolving world of AI, one breakthrough can upend everything, from industry leaders to global stock markets. Nvidia, once considered an untouchable force in AI hardware, suddenly found itself scrambling to reassure investors that its technology was still indispensable in the long-term AI race. But was this just an isolated market reaction? Or is it the beginning of a larger power shift in the AI industry? One that could redefine the balance between software efficiency and hardware dependency. DeepSeek's story is far from over. Whether it's revolutionizing industries, sparking ethical debates, or shaking up global markets, one thing is clear. This is just the beginning. The question now is, where do we go from here? And if this deep dive into the shadowy world of AI intrigue left you as captivated or as concerned as I am, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.